The debate over climate change adaptation and climate change mitigation is absolutely central to the debate over climate change. Oftentimes, adaptation gets put on the back burner to the debate over mitigation. Very quickly, the difference between the two: adaptation is adjusting to the effects of climate change that have already played out in a certain region of the world, whereas mitigation would be taking specific action to prevent climate change from happening in the beginning. The U.S. Congress and global negotiators spend most of their time dealing with debating how to prevent climate change from getting worse than it already is. But there are also significant efforts underway to adapt to climate change, because especially in low-lying areas around the world and here in the United States, climate change is already occurring, and there has to be some sort of action taken in order to adapt to climate change. One key issue with that is to get the money and expertise to prevent these, to help carry out strategies, and that's something that has not been forthcoming from especially the United States government, which is one of the most crucial players in this entire debate. One of the biggest problems on that front is because the Republican part of the Congress isn't convinced that climate change is even happening. Therefore, they're not going to be too crazy about giving money to help countries and parts of the United States adapt to something that they don't think is happening. And that's a big hurdle that needs to be cleared before there can be a smooth, clear path forward on adaptation strategies.